Welcome everybody and happy new year. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about all the Telegram airdrops that will be listed out in January 2025. Okay, this is a two-part video and this is just part one of those videos about these airdrops. Then this is a comprehensive list as well as a compiled list which I have done so that you can be able to follow along in this series, so that you don't have to be even wait any single time in terms of getting these airdrops, as well as the information concerning their TGEs, snapshots, and whatever information about their listing date is concerned. So if you are new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make videos about crypto and tech, so feel free to join, as well as like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. On the other hand, I'm also going to put a timestamp of all these Telegram airdrops, as well as the link in the description or probably in the comments, so that you can be able to just go straight and get them. So before a single note, before we proceed, I'll also like you to be able to get a pen and be able to write it down, or you can be able to take intermittent screenshots so that you don't forget. Or you can feel free to be able to join my Telegram channel again, where I'll be posting updates even after making these videos, so that you can be able to get it firsthand. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first airdrop on the list is going to be Blockchain for this first part. So Blockchain, as you can see here, is going to be listed out in terms of their calculation of their Telegram airdrop allocation on the 7th of January. So as you can see from the official Twitter account, that is the information relating to it. So there are several other criteria and you should be able to do them so that you don't miss out on the farming. So there's still time. Then the second one is Vertox. I've been talking about Vertox previously on Airdrop, as well as when it will be listed. So due to several shifts, now it has now been official that from the official handle that it will be listed out on the 12th of January, so that everybody can be able to get every single thing. So after Vertox, we head over to Seed. Seed has been one of the earliest of airdrops out there, and it is going to end its criteria on January 15th. That's the last day of mining as well as hunting. So every single thing related to Seed will be coming to an end on 15th, and possibly TGE will not be far from January 15th. So mark your calendars or keep on the lookout in terms of notifications. Then afterward is TapSwap. We all know how TapSwap has been ever since the start of 2024, early February and March. Okay, so it is also one of the first airdrops out there, and every single thing related to TapSwap will be wrapping up on this particular time, which is on 2025. Then their TGE has already been stated, as well as every single thing relating to TapSwap on the first Q1. So their mining as well as every single thing that they will be doing will be ending on 23rd. Okay, TapSwap will be ending on 23rd, so that people can be able to move on in terms of their TGE. So as you can see right here, this is as at 31st December 2024. So 23rd of January, that's when there's a potential the TGE for TapSwap. Then the same thing goes to WCoin. So if you have been logging in so that you don't get your token burn, you should be able to be claiming your WCoin since. So WCoin here on 25th of January, that's where WCoin will be listed out officially. This is their official Twitter account that they posted it. So every single thing about it has already been concluded. So we're just waiting for date. Then this one hasn't been updated yet, but I feel like it is long overdue, which is Bloom. Everybody knows how Bloom is in terms of being partnered with Binance, as well as being a major crypto airdrop out there in which many people actually did and supported. So Bloom has now only started their season 2, which I don't know why they are doing that, in addition to the fact that they haven't released their season 1 as well as concluded their season 1. But let's just hope that it will also be in motion in this first quarter of 2025. So potentially it might be listed, it will be listed out on January alongside. Then the next is cxp.io. I've been mining CXP for quite some time now, and it is one of those major airdrops that I've been looking at, and I've been wondering why it hasn't been listed. A further update analysis on their TGE. This is the official account, that's the official website. So the roadmap, they actually said that they will be listed out on Q4, which I also made a video about it, but unfortunately nothing happened. So right now, the only thing here about CXP in terms of the recent information is just their snapshots. But since they have taken their snapshot, which was on the later end of 2024 December, potentially the TGE will also affect and come up in January 2025. So even if the date is not fully announced, expected in January 2025, CXP.io will list. Then the next one is YesCoin. YesCoin has also been one of those Telegram airdrops that we have been farming for quite some time. Okay, so YesCoin did their snapshots as at December 20th. That's when they had their snapshot on their Telegram account, as well as made the information related to it. So potentially, again, YesCoin will be listed out on January 2025. Okay, so it will be listed out on January 2025. Then the next one is Pause Airdrop. Pause Airdrop is also one of those airdrops that almost everybody has been doing in terms of their final allocation. They are getting their TGE as well as every other thing related to finalizing and claiming your pause allocations, even with the Christmas stats and etc. So the last thing about it is that the pause snapshot, which was just done on the last day of 2024, as you can see, if you did yours, congratulations, has now been done. So the snapshot has now been finally concluded, and it will be listed out on January. Okay, it will be listed out on January. Then this one is not a Telegram airdrop, but so NotePay airdrop will be ending, as already ended, which is their season 1 and 2, season 0 and 1, and the season 2 is also going to end. Then it has already ended on 31st December. Then NotePay will be listed out. NotePay will be listed out in January 6th, 2025. That's where their airdrop will be and finalized. Okay, so that's every single thing related to NotePay. Then next one is PocketFi. PocketFi has been also a major airdrop out there in which people have been mining. Unfortunately, there's no particular date for PocketFi, but potentially Q1 of 2025, which is on January or February or January per se, that PocketFi will be listed out. Then the next is NotPixel. NotPixel just recently released their tokenomics, where they'll be able to cancel one of the zeros that you already have in your airdrop or your allocation. As you can see right here, they cancel one of these the zeros, so reducing the coin balance, which is a very smart move for them in terms of getting their allocation as well as their tokenomics on point. They have finished every single thing related to their games, and for eligible users with 100,000 PX coins, you can be able to get the Notcoin allocations as well as the airdrop distribution when the time comes. Then afterwards, if we move over to Zoo or Zoo Story, this is Zoo Story. Zoo Story is also one of those airdrops that people have also been farming. Okay, has also been farming. The most important information related to Zoo Story is that it's going to end its mining on 29 days from now. That's January 31st. That's where Zoo Story will be able to end their mining. So you have from now to be able to do it, and from there potentially airdrop will just be listed out immediately. Okay, then the last for this first part of this all airdrops in Telegram will be Clink. Clink airdrop is already ending in 8 days time. So Clink Finance, I've been doing it, and I'll also post the link there in the description. It has everything about this comprehensive list of all the Telegram airdrops in part 1. So I'm going to put the link of the part 2 in the first comment of this particular video, as well as the description, so you can be able to click this particular part of this video, or you can be able to click on top here. As you can see right here on top here, it will take you directly to the second part and final part of this particular video. My name is Odis Profit. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. I wish you well. Thanks.